thin coat of liquid clear applied. Start the Indian yellow first. Come all the way down. I'm going to come right down here with that. Go with the medium crimson first. Just going to put a bit around here. Just a bit down here. Down here. Probably to about there. Mix all that up. This is a slightly darker crimson. Just a little bit up here. 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 Let's just go into this Prussian blue here. Let's put this up the top here. A little bit of the blue just down here in the edges, just so we can just sort of see, because there's going to be a little bit of water down here, so we'll just pull that blue in. Right, just blending them through. Fan brush into some titanium white. Just a little bit here. Just have a little play about here and just get the feel for this. Maybe have a few little clouds or wispy bits around. Just so I sort of white a little bit up here into that colour. That's what I mean. See how soft that goes? It just mixes with the liquid clear and all the colours on there, and it just goes soft. We'll have a sun sort of right in the middle, so just concentrate on a brighter spot there, just a little bit more white, and then we'll start doing these little things just by twisting the fan brush in circles and all different kinds of stuff. Make that brighter in the middle there. I'm going to make a nice little sky here. Look at this sky just come alive, look. Beautiful little clouds and things happening there. Isn't that just beautiful? A bit of the Indian yellow, a bit of the white here, just mix that up. A nice little sun there, quite a bright one. Don't want to get too much paint on this. Just lightly move this paint. Extra sort of mist around here, because I can do sort of trees around this, and we'll just everything that I use is in the links underneath my profile picture on TikTok and in the description and pinned comment on YouTube. Everything that I use I've listed out for you in one place. Just missed that off there. But. So yeah, we're gonna have trees here, so this is gonna be a lot closer, but if anything comes through, we got some mist. This is that dark colour I just made, so we'll just come here and just start laying in these trees. Distant ones there. I'm just concentrating on how the top looks here. Just a little bit bigger there. See? Just different shaped trees. And we can make some of these big. Just there, see? You can see him, he's quite close, there you go. We'll just do these trees here. Let's just lay them out first. Just a little layout of trees. There, just create these little trees there. That's all you need to do. Maybe they're just a little bunch there. Just fill them in there. See? Just colour this in. Okay, so we got that laid out there. We're going to make some water. I'm going to do water everywhere, but then build the land on top. So I'm going to start around here and just pull this colour down. And that's picking up all them colours. This is just some titanium white going on. I'm going to pull this all the way down. I think we'll go to about there. I'm going to have a quick look at your paintings. That's beautiful and amazing. Do you sell them? I would. Yes, at the website. You can buy them directly from the website. Yeah, it takes PayPal, but you can buy them. I ship worldwide. Yeah, you can buy them all there. Just there. And there's a link underneath my TikTok profile. Yes, you can go there. It takes you straight to my website. Right, just pulling this down here. It's that blue. I don't want to bring the blue right up. There's a bit of blue there, remember we put a bit of blue there. They're all for sale on his website. Yes, they are. And prints too. And if you want to buy this one right now, you can buy this one right now on the website. This is oil paints. And you can buy it right now. So that is sort of creating a little bit of water there. See? Come down to about here, I think. That's pushing all them trees way behind. This one's going to be here. Until I put highlights on it, you won't really see. That blue's very powerful, so bring this in here. Okay, so we're just going to we're going to have a little snow scene, guys. We'll just put some snow about. We're going to put some highlights on them trees, like I said, but we're just going to add this little bit of snow here. Bit of a hill there, maybe. Scrape out sort of a shape of a little sort of cabin that we can have. We can just have it, I know where we could have it coming across there, so sort of there like that. We'll scrape a little bit of paint off, so that'll help out. We'll just scrape that off, just getting the basic shape of this. Just a little bit of brown, probably out some black. Just kind of come down here. This is just some brown going on. And not too thin, put it on quite generously. Pull that down there. I'll nick a bit of this brown, let's go into this white over here. Give a bit of the yellow in there because we have a bit of colour there. Cut across there and see what happens with this. Just pull this down here. Just want to make this like old wood. Do some little boards so we can just run the palette knife through like that. We're going to go somewhere like this. Just there. Right, a little window here. Little white frame there. Little door frame there. Just lay this snow on there like that. Picked up some of that dark colour underneath, but you can build this up. So just put a little roof on him that you might see poke through here. Just put a few little things there. Let's make a Indian yellow here. Nick a bit of that crimson. Just make a colour over here. It's like almost like a sort of peachy colour. Okay. Just some little things. So this is a big tree, so this one really does come right down to about there. We can make that like a little bit of land there. There we go. Let's pull this out now. Just bring him down there. Give him a little bit of a foot there. Some little things coming off here. There, just a few. And we're going to put a glow right down here. But you can do it, I'm doing it now. I only want a little bit of colour here and there. A bluish sort of colour. And I'm knocking it up into that highlight colour. I want a bit of reflective light on this side basically. I'm going to put a slight bit of colour into that. I'm using a little bit of, well, just dark colour, maybe sort of a bit brownish, almost a little bit of black, so it's like a browny sort of grey. So we can see some smoke there. Using the corner of the brush, just blend that off very lightly. I have to tell you what, there's some good colours in there for a bit of smoke. Okay, just a little tiny chimney, tiny little chimney, which I've worked out about here. We'll put a little bit of snow on top, tiny. Certificate on, and it's called Cozy Cabin. Signature, there we go guys. There's painting 370. I never thought I'd say that in my life. There is my painting 370, that's just nuts.